Hello all, hope you all keeping safe. Welcome to the new normal. Yes, the virtual interviews. But don't go to any virtual interview before watching this video. Today I'm going to tell you, don't believe in them. Don't believe in your Wi-Fi. Don't have this childhood habit of you. Don't save money, especially on this, and don't go without testing this one particular thing. These are the topics that we are going to cover today in today's video. Everybody will say, oh, we also have a kid at home, we totally understand. I also have a cat, I totally get it. But don't believe them. Don't believe the interviewer when they say it's okay to have distractions in the interview. It's totally not okay. They will create bias and judge you depending upon the noise, the distractions, the lighting, the background, everything. The way you keep your house, the way you are distraction free is super important in a video interview. So let your family know that you are going to have a video interview in some time. If you have a very small noisy kid, probably give it to your friend or in-laws or make some arrangements. I have a React experience also in place, and I have taken a course for Node.js and if you have a pet, maybe ask your friend to take it for a walk or make some arrangement also with the pet or keep it somewhere in a different room, because this is very important. Seeing a pet probably crawling on your keyboard, having it in the background, an undone bed, everything is going to create a perception about you. So don't believe them even if they tell you it's okay. World's fastest internet is not in India, it is in Taiwan. So obviously for taking a video interview, you can't go to Taiwan. But you can make sure at home you have the best internet connection. Minimum 100 Mbps. Even when the Wi-Fi is up and running, make sure you have a standby tethering mobile or a dongle. So even if that's going to go in between, these systems can help you out. It's totally not okay to give videos like, no, they're not going to help it. No, they're not going to like it, and you're definitely not getting a job. If you are a 90 kid, remember the weddings that we go. The moment we see ourselves on the TVs, on the screens, we get super excited. Guess what? The same kid is alive. Like, we love looking at ourselves on mirrors and cameras. You should never do this on a video conferencing. Not just on the interview, also on the meetings, because this is the only way you can connect. Now, when I'm looking at you, I don't know who you are, but you are communicating with me. You are listening to me, for which I have to respect the whole feeling. If I just look at myself, it will look like this. I can just look at whole myself and then talk to you. That way, we will not be able to connect, for which I have a trick. So I have something like this on my phone. So this one has a small hole, and also it reminds me to smile. So you can also have this set on your camera, so you will look at the interviewer. This is the only way you can connect with the hiring manager, which is the most important thing in an interview. The interviewer is probably seeing some 5-10 candidates on an everyday basis, but you have to stand out. So invest on yourself. Please don't believe in the inbuilt camera and inbuilt mic. It would cost you around 2,000, 3,000 rupees, even if you're going with the best quality. Minimum. You might say, I'm going to attend probably 1 or 2 interviews. Why would I spend on that? But this is crucial. Invest on mic and camera. Also make sure your lighting is set. You don't have to buy an external light or something if you have a very lighted room. For example, for taking this video, I'm just using the tube lights. It's well lighted enough. But if you think your room is pretty dark, probably buying an extra light is always helpful. Don't dress up like that. I mean, you still will have to dress to impress. Though they're not going to see you fully, you have to make sure you are wearing a subtle color. You can't be wearing a t-shirt that you usually wear at home because you are at home. You have an oily face, undone hair. It shows your seriousness towards the interview. So make sure you are wearing a decent dress and looking decent enough, or presentable. I'm not telling you to dress up like this, very gaudy and colorful, dress to impress. No, not impressive. Make sure you are presentable. Also make sure the video is set a little above your eye angle, because they don't want to be seeing your double chin or nose point. Not very professional. Make sure it is kept a little more than your eye angle, so you will look thin, presentable, and even better. So it's a bonus point. Don't go without testing this. Very important. Today we have a lot of video conferencing platforms. Zoom, Google Hangout. There are new companies coming up every single day, especially after this COVID. So make sure this platform is well known to you, because few might ask you to download the app. Few might ask you for an admin password. Few might have some weird onboarding processes. So make sure this is done at least a day before and check with your friend. So this can help you check your background, check your noise, sound, distractions, and also your camera angles. So don't ever go to the interview before checking this platform and whole of this ecosystem. With that said, we've come to the end of the video and 1 month completion of Loudtechy. That's pretty amazing. People have spent more than 7,000 minutes at Loudtechy channel, which is super motivating. Also give a big thumbs up so I will know that I have to make more videos like this, and share this video with your friends who are about to have an interview virtually, because sharing is caring. Till then, see you all. Bye bye.